Convert row to column header for Pandas DataFrame. The data I have to work with is a bit messy. It has header names inside of its data. How can I choose a row from an existing Pandas DataFrame and rename it to a column header? I want to do something like
set the column labels to equal the values in the second row, index location 1. If the index has unique labels, you can drop the second row using if the index is not unique, you could use using df.drop, df.index, or 1, removes all rows with the same label as the second row. Because non-unique indexes can lead to stumbling blocks, or potential bugs, like this, it's often better to take care that the index is unique, even though Pandas does not require it. This works, Pandas v 0.19.2.
You can specify the row index in the read_CSV or read_HTML constructors via the header parameter, which represents row numbers to use as the column names, and the start of the data. This has the advantage of automatically dropping all the preceding rows which supposedly are junk.
It would be easier to recreate the data frame. This would also interpret the columns types from scratch.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.